Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Afzal. Welcome to Reliance Sports. Reliance Sports started in 1980s, giving service from sports and fitness up to date. We deal with sports and fitness, specialized in fitness equipments like motorized treadmills, manual, electricals, cross trainers, etc. and etc. We are giving complete gym installation throughout the city and throughout the state. So where you can get n number of products with n number of styles, different models, whichever you require according to the customer. So we Reliance Sports giving you as per the choice of the customer. Like for example, if you require a cross trainer, like you are having different specifications, different workouts, everything and all. And coming towards sports, we deal with carom boards, and we are giving you installation of basketball, badminton courts, tennis courts, badminton rackets, everything and all. Like starting from a carom coin up to the high end, like chess, you will get everything according to the customer's choice. We deal with GM cricket bats. Coming towards mementos and trophies, you will get in crystal clear trophies, acrylic, wooden, and fancy items, etc. If at all a customer requires anything, we are tied up with Just Dial. For example, if any customer needs anything, they just call to Just Dial, and as soon as the SMS arrives, we just call to the customer, and as per the need, we fulfill the requirement. Like for example, if someone is calling for the requirement, they need any motorized treadmill, we just tell them the specifications, and we just take the order and the delivery will be free of cost. See, like according to the customer, we give gym installations. Few customers from different districts and different states, they come to us and they want like gym. So we just give quotation, and most of the people, they agree with us, and we install gyms also throughout the state, multi-station gyms, single station gyms, and a 24 station up to the maximum level as per the requirement of the customer. Like manual treadmill is starting from 8,000 and motorized is starting from 15,000. Mementos like trophy starting from 100 rupees up to 25,000. We, like most of the time, we give it to schools, clubs, and RT center in Golconda and everything. Like most of the time, people come online basically, and customer coming to the shop, they are very much satisfied with us. I'm thankful to all the customers, those who are coming to us, and I will be grateful. Just cooperate with us.